Hello everyone, welcome back to WS Spoken, your go-to place to master spoken English. Today we are talking about something super important. How to remember English words easily. Do you learn new words but forgot them the next day? Don't worry, you are not alone. Let me show you some fun and effective ways to make those words stick in your mind like glue. Tip 1. Use the word immediately. Learn a new word. Great. Now use it in a sentence right away. For example, if you learn the word enthusiastic, say something like, I'm feeling enthusiastic about learning English today. The more you use it, the harder it is to forget. Tip 2. Connect words to images. Our brain loves pictures, so when you learn a new word, imagine a picture related to it. Learning a word breeze. Picture a soft wind touching your face. Simple, right? Your brain will thank you. Tip 3. Make it personal. Attach the word to your life. If the word is journey, think about your own journey to learn English. Make it about you and it will stay in your memory much longer. Tip number 4. Say it out loud. Don't just read the word, say it. When you speak it, you hear it, and when you hear it, you remember it. So, practice out loud, even if you are alone. Tip number 5. Review smartly. Repetition is a powerful, but do it the smart way. Review the word today, then tomorrow, again after 3 days, and then a week later. This is called spaced repetition and it works like magic. Quick bonus tip, make a word wall. Stick new words on your wall, your notebook, your mirror. Whenever you look often, the more you see them, the better you remember them. So, next time you learn a new word, don't just write it down and forget it. Use it, feel it, speak it, connect it. And soon, your vocabulary will grow like never before. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WS Spoken for more tips on improving your spoken English. Thanks for watching, and remember, your words are your power. Thank you.